Hey guys, it's Mercy again with another hot topic. Yay! Yeah, so today we are going to discuss about things things you should not do or say on the first date. Yeah, let's get straight into it. One of the first point is that you should not show up late on a date that you yourself you planned and you agreed to get to go. Like, tell me, mbona unaoga saa 5 na date ni saa 6? Like, to be honest, hapo utachelewa tu. So like, manage your time, calculate, ujue hata hivi ufike like 30 minutes before time, ujue kama unaenda hii date saa 6, by saa 4 unafaa kuwa ushajua outfit utavaa, like ushaoga, ushajitayarisha. Like, juu kama ukikuwa na any inconvenience, isifanye ukuwe late bro, sis. Yeah, never be late on the first date. Next, when it comes to food and drinks, yani kitu yenye italetwa kwa meza, whatever the date is about, either a coffee date or a lunch or dinner date, like, come prepared my bro. Like, kuwa na pesa, kuwa ulishajipanga kitambo before we invite them on a date. Like, manze, kuwa na doa yenye itakuwa sufficient for the place una plan kumpeleka. Si tabia ati unapeleka dem date, unambaya food peke yake, na kikuuliza mbona ukuli, unaanza kumwambia nilikula before nikuje. What the fuck? So I'm supposed to eat while you're looking at me? It doesn't make sense, by the way. So carry an amount that will even accommodate an extra cost. Alafu pia nyi madem kienda date, have your own cash. In case things go wrong, have your own money. The next point is, don't expect a girl to pay on the first date, bro. Jipange. Like, hakuna cost sharing and the dem should not pay at a 1 cent. Like, kwani mwanaume aina gani ati dem anakulipia chakula? No, we don't do that here. Carry enough money. Don't ask the girl to cost share with you. That's bullshit. That's disrespectful. That's another level of disrespect. The audacity, yani. Another point is that if you are a girl and you don't feel safe going to see the guy alone, please ask him if you can bring another party. Like, usiende hapo na watu 10. Like, you're inconveniencing the man, to be honest. Hata kama it's for your own safety, please just ask him before you agree to go on a date with him, please. Yeah, na kama you still, hata kama akikataa na unataka, you don't feel safe, you just bring your friend along, but akae kando. Like, akuje ajipeleke date hiyo place yenye mko, like akae tu mani, una get? But wacha like this guy asishughulikia expenses za the added party. It's not good. Like, you're just inconveniencing someone for no good reason. So be reasonable, to be honest. Yeah. Another point is, like, on a first date, I don't know why you're being so personal with me. I'm meeting you today, nigga. Why do you not want to know everything that happened to me 5 years ago? Why do you want to know what's going on with my life? And maybe it's never going past the first day. To be really honest, I may not like you on the first date. So don't be personal with me. Don't start telling me even you about your sijui venye kwenye mko na nini. Kwanza hao maniga wenye, I don't know, they are mama's boys or papa's, whatever. You start telling me how your dad does a car and how he gives you the car. I don't know how you have this big house or company. Nigga, you're losing it. Like, sitakupenda eti juu kwenye mko na gari ama juu kwenye mnaishi wapi. If I've not asked you, don't tell me. Keep it to yourself, bro. it won't like attract me to you. Yeah, it won't. Who? Another thing you guys do, don't start telling me about your ex. By the way, chenye alikuhat nacho sijui mwaka gani sijui which day, please. No, I did not say I want to be informed. Keep that information to your damn self, cause ex wako aliusu, by the way, na pia usianze nikiona, but then that is something we should look out for, like those people that disrespect au mawaiter sijui nini, pia kushinda kwa phone yako tukua kwa dates. You're being disrespectful. Like, who taught you manners? Ooh, tell us, because no, you should not touch your phone on the at a first date or the dates. Keep your phone far away. Yeah. Another safety point, if you've gone to a date that with the person, of course the first date maybe you don't know them that well, just call someone else and inform them on your location. Yeah, with that you'll be safe, even if not 100% safe, but you'll be safe. Yeah, I need to hear your points and your comments. Please comment down below so that we can interact and hear more points, and tell us about the safety things that we should know before we go for the first date. Please subscribe, share this video and like it. I love you guys. Bye.